Question. A teacher with a bad back can only carry a weight up to 5 kilograms. She knows that 2 textbooks and 30 exercise book weigh a total of 6.9 kilograms and 1 textbook and 20 exercise book weigh a total of 4.2 kilograms. There's 3 questions. Calculate the weight of each textbook and exercise book. Can she carry 1 textbook and 12 exercise book? If she wants 2 textbooks, how many exercise book can she carry? Straight away I'm looking at this and I can see that I'm going to use simultaneous equations. Now simultaneous equations, there's 4 ways that I know of. 1 is just guessing the numbers. 2 is equation. 3 is matrix. And 4 is graphic. Now I'm going to firstly use just roughly guessing, and I'm going to use the equation method. So let's just write this down first. So 2 textbooks, so I'll call it 2T, plus 30 exercise books, which I call it 30E, is equal to 6.9 kilograms. The second equation is 1 textbook plus 20 exercise books is equal to 4.2 kilograms. Now to start off with, we'll look at the second equation and we'll just guess it. Let's just say 1T is equal to 1 kilograms. 20E, shall we say it's equal to 0.1, so therefore 2 kilograms. So we already know that it's going to be more than 1 kilogram and more than 2 kilograms. We can carry on like that until we eventually get the number, but it could be long-winded. I'm going to use a second method I mentioned, which is equation. First of all, with the equation, we've got to get both or 2 of the same, so therefore I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2. I'll write the first equation first. Also I'm going to change the kilograms to grams, so 6.9 becomes 6,900 times the second equation by 2, which is 2T, plus 20E now becomes 40E, and 4.2 now becomes 8.4 or 8,400 grams. Now we use the DAS, difference, add, same, subtract. So if the signs are the same, we subtract each equation. So 2T, the signs are the same, so we subtract. 2T minus 2T disappear. 30E minus 40E, therefore it is minus 10E. 6,900 minus 8,400, which is 1,500. But it's a minus, so therefore when we take the minus 10 over, it goes E is equal to 1,500 divided by minus 10, or minus 1,500 divided by minus 10. The 2 minuses disappears, so E is now worth 150 grams. If E's, we now substitute this into any one of the equations. So let's just take the original equation, which is 1T plus 20E. Now E is equal to 150, which is equal to 4.2. 150 times 20 is equal to, 150 times 20 is equal to 3,000. So 1T is equal to 4,200 minus 3,000. So So it's equal to 1.2 or 1,200 grams. We now just check that to make sure it's correct. 1t is 1,000, or we'll try it in the first equations. 2t, which is 2 times 1,200, plus 30e, which is 30 times 150, is equal to 6.9. That's the check we do. 2 times 1,200 is 2,400. And 30 times 150 is 150 times 30 is equal to 4,500. We add them both together and we find it's 6,900 or 6.9 kilograms. Therefore, each textbook weighs 1.2 kilograms or 1,200 grams, and each exercise book weighs 0.15 grams, 0.150 grams or 0.150 kilograms or 150 grams. Now, that was the actually first question. Calculate the weights of each textbook and exercise book, which we have now done. Can she carry one textbook, which is 1 kilogram, 1.2 kilograms, plus 12 exercise books, so it's 150 times 12 equals to 1,800, which is 1.8. She can carry up to 5 kilograms, so 1.2 plus 1.8 is equal to 3 kilograms. So therefore she could carry one textbook and 12 exercise book. Question C, if she wants to carry 2 textbooks, how many exercise books can she carry? So 2 textbooks is, well, we know from the equation we've just done before, the check, 2 textbook is 2.4. So 2.4, and the total she can carry is 5. So 5 minus 2.4 is 2.6, or 2,600. How many times 2,600 divided by 150 is equal to 17.3. So she can carry 17 books, 2 textbook and 17 exercise book, and she'll still be carrying less than 5 kilograms. The end.